Hey, what's going on, guys? Another YouTube video here for you today. If you did yesterday's assignment and watch yesterday's video, then today should be no issue for you. We have done simple predicates and complete predicates before. Um, and like I said, if you did yesterday's assignment, you should have no issues with this one. It's essentially the same thing, just flip-flopped a little bit. So with that being said, just a reminder, your quiz is this Friday. Your attendance question for what is, I guess, for you guys yesterday, or for me today, December 8th. Your attendance question was asking you what time would be best for a Google Meet on Thursday, because, like I told you in, let's see, I think 2 videos ago, maybe last video. Yeah, I told you in last video that we will be having a Google Meet um, kind of covering the quiz review activities that we will be doing from Tuesday through Thursday. Um, so, with that being said, if you can make it to the Google Meet, please do. We're going to go over the answers on your homeworks if you have any questions. Um, your quiz on Friday is not going to be any different than these quiz reviews. Like I said, in person, um, a lot of my stuff, if you do my reviews, you'll have no problem doing my quizzes or tests. So let's jump right into this one today. We've got predicates. We were going to be doing the exact same process that we did yesterday. And so the directions for the activity state identify the simple and complete predicates of each sentence by typing them in the blanks below. Refer to Mr. Manfredo's YouTube video for help. In other words, watch this video. So let's go ahead and jump in. Number one, teenagers need a balanced diet for good health. So the first thing we're going to do is take our magic cursor right here. We're going to, kind of facilitate the magic cursor trick, as I have kind of coined this year, and we are going to find our verb. So we need to find the action of the sentence. So the action of our sentence is need. It's not a necessarily an outward action, but it is a mental action. So with that being said, need is our verb. We've put our magic cursor before our verb. Yesterday, you guys would have gone to the left for your subject, and today, going to blow your minds, we're going to go to the right. So our complete subject for today is everything to the right of our magic cursor. And so we would take this, we would, actually, I just screwed that up. Let's go ahead and highlight this again. Copy and paste to complete predicate. Paste. And we have our complete predicate now. So now what we need to do is find our simple predicate. So if you guys remember, our simple predicate is always that singular verb, or sometimes we might have a compound verb or a verb phrase that we need to identify. So it's not looking like we have any compound verbs in here. We don't have any verb phrases. Since we have already identified our verb, there's nothing before it that is assisting it. And so we would just, in our simple predicate spot, just type the word need. So we've got that one down pat. Let's see if we can take a look at another one that's a little bit more difficult. So let's scroll down here. Let's look at number 5. And like I've told you before, if you go out of your way to watch these YouTube videos, you will at least usually get a couple of answers, if not just a single answer on your homework. So it's definitely worth checking into these videos for, because they will help you and essentially give you some free points. That's kind of my incentive for getting you guys into these videos to watch my instruction. We're going to help you out a little bit. So let's take a look at number 5. Protein can be supplied by eggs, dried beans, red meat, fish, and poultry. So the first thing we need to do is find our verb. And in this case, if we were just to identify just a singular verb, we would probably just think supplied would be our verb in this case. But be careful, because we have a couple of helping verbs attached over here. So we would take our magic cursor and not put it before here, but we would put it before here. And so that means we would highlight everything to the right of our magic cursor, and we would put it down here in complete predicate. So we would put that down there. If we want our simple predicate, we just need our verb and the helping verbs that go along with it, because we include those in simple predicate. And so we would put can be supplied in the simple predicate spot. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.